You know that I count all them racks, you know that that's facts. You will get jacked, get hit with that Mac, knock off your hat. You was a rat, take all your stacks. Young nigga came from the bottom. Trapped out that Louis and Prada.
Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment if you want, and subscribe. You should subscribe and you should like the video. So in this video, I'm gonna try to straighten my hair with using rollers, a blow dryer, the brush blow dryer, and a Seran wrap. We're going to start with rollers. Yeah. Oh, that's the back. Okay. And I might also trim my thing. I mean, I told someone that I was gonna stop cursing, and already. Isn't this crazy how like short it looks? Like. I don't even know how big the part should be. I'm gonna use a Denman brush. It's a modified Denman brush. I took out the bristles, so I'm just gonna wet it with water. Like I'm kind of soaking it so that it could be slick. Yeah, I failed. Put the roller right on top. It's just like perm rods. Slick it over. I actually feel like I should put more water so that it could really like slick. So yeah. All right. So this is it. Okay, so I'm gonna take these rollers out. Some of them actually fell out overnight, or I would definitely buy more pins. Ooh, oh my god, this is, aw, it's like almost straight, to be honest. Let me stand up. I might be cutting off like this much. This is so cute to me. So, as I was saying, I'm gonna go ahead and blow this out. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest off camera, and then I'll be back. So I just finished blowing it out, like all the way. But now I'm gonna try to do this Seran wrap. Now I'm gonna try to wrap it. This is, I mean, I have a feeling this is not gonna work, but And then I'm gonna go ahead and get my soft hooded blow dryer and sit under there for like 10 minutes. So, this is how I've seen it done on Instagram. Yes, it's not straight. You know what I'm gonna actually do? I'm gonna take it down now so you can see, and then I'm gonna wrap it back and then wear a scarf. So, ooh, I mean, it's softer, like it's a little more, okay. It's not completely straight, like I'm pretty sure we all predicted, but it's definitely, it feels softer. It's cute though. But I'm still gonna go ahead and wrap it and wear it wrapped all day. Follow me on the gram, curly fro. Okay, so yeah, it's nighttime and it's not even falling. Wow, my hair is stiff. Okay. Ooh. Like if y'all look, this is like the straightest my hair has really been in like ever. Wrapping it for a day did make the roots a little straighter, but my ends are a bit puffy. So I'd say I just achieved an extra bomb blowout. Yeah.
You got your feelings hurt, I ain't really mean to do that. I'm just a bad bitch, I'm sorry I put you through that. I'm from New York, but we don't never say good morning. Ripping the block and he don't come on till the morning. I always prayed to have a building with a doorman. Now I'm so busy, I gotta turn on these endorsements. Now I'm flaunting everything that I wanted.